Convert the following fractions into decimals using known equivalents. So we've got 6 over 24, 13 over 20, and 9 over 25. So we've got 6 over 24. Now we might notice that 24 and 6 are divisible by 6. So if we take 24 and divide by 6, we're going to get 4. And then if we divide 6 by 6, we're going to get 1. So we've got 1/4, and we should know that 1/4 is actually equal to 0.25 as a decimal. B, 13 over 20. Now this one's not quite straightforward, but we notice that 20 goes into 100. If 20 goes into 100, that means we've multiplied it by 5 to get 100, and then 13 by 5 to get 65. Now, 65 divided by 100 is quite easy because you just move the decimal point 2 places, so we're going to get 0.65. 13/20 is 0.65. C, 9 over 25. Again, we notice that 25 goes into 100. By multiplying by 4, we're going to get 100. And if we multiply 9 by 4, we're going to get 36. Therefore, 36 divided by 100, again, we move the decimal point 2 places, we're going to get 0.36. So this has been a quick video to show you how to convert fractions into decimals using known equivalents. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.